Hi everyone, Trent with L2L, and welcome to a tips and tricks episode that I'm sure everyone has been waiting for. In this session, we're going to take a look at L2L's TeamBoard and see how you can get the most out of L2L's exciting new feature. So the TeamBoard was created to facilitate meaningful stand-up meetings, and today I'm going to show you 4 features that will help you understand what's happening on your shop floor and identify where the critical issues are going into your shift. So let's take a look. Here's a simple way to focus on your specific area or line. Using the top filters, you can look at your shop floor from whatever level you'd like. Zoom into an area or specific line to focus your attention on the issues that are most important to you. You can even personalize the reporting structure in L2L to reflect your own org structure. That way, you can sort by manager so that his or her stand-up meetings are super easy and efficient to start. Next, we'll take a look at a great way to smooth the shift handover process and avoid dropping the ball between your shift and the next one. Shift handover notes allow you to create, dismiss, and sort notes from coworkers on another shift. This way, when you get to your line, there is no misunderstanding about what you're walking into. You can even pull up historical notes to see if issues have been happening frequently and require additional attention during your shift. The final 2 items today involve feature updates coming in early 2024. The first is in the delivery column. Schedule attainment is a new widget that shows you how you're meeting your weekly customer order commitment. Secondly, the drill-in capability will allow you to focus on a single widget in greater detail and granularity. You can use this if you've got a particularly acute issue that you need to quickly research and start your problem solving. So that's a wrap on the first ever TeamBoard tips and tricks. I hope you're as excited as I am about this great new feature and all the benefits that it will bring to you and your team.